Good day. Today we have the new Poly Voyager 4310 UC. UC just means the headphone is only on one side as opposed to dual ears like this one. This was predecessor, probably the first team's version of this Voyager series. This is the 4200 series. So I'm super excited to see. As you can tell, I use this tremendously every day. It's reliable. It has fell multiple times. This piece is broken off. It goes right back in. This is really the only functional part, electronic wise. But this thing is a workhorse. Super comfortable. So let's see what the new one is like. Certified for Microsoft Teams. In this box here, it comes with the standard cradle. Well, let's take this out. We also have a USB adapter here. This should be what's responsible for putting a computer that doesn't have Bluetooth or wireless capabilities. This will give it the wireless capabilities. So that's great that that's included. By the way, Poly was acquired by HP, so as opposed to the previous model, which was before the HP acquisition. This model now has been released with partnership with HP. So there you have it. It's a standard cradle. There's no other means of connections on here. This is just specifically for connecting to a charger and or the computer. This is the actual headset. Right off the top, it has a solid feel. Still has the traditional soft, leathery feel as the other one. The outer unit itself here is noticeably smaller. You still have the up and down volume buttons. You have the Teams button in the middle here. On the bottom here, we have on and off buttons still the same. That's good. We have USB-C now as opposed to USB micro. The rest looks the same. Is there the mute button? On the old unit, you had the mute button here on the 4200 series. On the newer models, though, not only with the 4200 series or the 4300 series rather, but on some of the later Poly models, they have put the mute button here on the boom itself, the mic boom. So let's go ahead and turn this on and connect it and get it going. Seems to be holding solid. One thing's noticeably different is the movement of the boom is very smooth and you don't feel or hear any clicking. The older unit, you not only hear it, you can feel the grooves moving. So that's a big improvement there. Also in the box is the bag, carrying bag, similar to the previous models. That's good, that's still being included. And last but not least, besides from the documentation, you have the USB-C charging. And this is for if you wanted to take the headset on the go by itself. You can charge it without bringing the cradle around, because again, this headset is Bluetooth as well.